My hair is super crazy in the morning. I need to change this. Look at my hair. It is crazy in the morning. One of the hardest thing I found to do is that I need to go run because I enjoy it. At the end of every single run, I always have a blast. I always feel good after every single run. There's never a time where I felt like, oh man, I shouldn't have ran that day, you know? Unless I was injured or something. But other than that, I've never had that time. Meaning that I should definitely go run more, right? Today was a hard day. Today, I woke up tired. I didn't have enough sleep because that was my fault. I didn't sleep early. I had the most resistance today than ever before. And when I say resistance, it means like, it just means I did not want to do it. My brain was telling me, no, don't run today. No, you got stuff to do. No, it's not gonna be a fun run. Just a bunch of no's. Just a bunch of, just don't go run. And to be honest with you, I hate resistance. I hate when my brain thinks those things. And it's not just running time. There's a lot, like content creating. It's so much easier. It's so much easier to just doom scroll. Keep scrolling. It's so entertaining. So much easier to doom scroll. There's a huge problem with doom scrolling though, is that it just does not do anything for you. Doom scrolling, it doesn't do anything. It's a waste of time. It's brain rot. It's just all bad. And this running will make me feel better. I'm here. Took me 25 minutes to drive here. It's a far drive too. Took me 25 minutes to drive here. I'm here, and you know what? I'm excited to go run. There's a good thing that will come out of this. What's up, dude? Not gonna lie to you, it was tough today. Huh? It was tough today.
Yeah. You was?
It was tough to just fucking go. You know?
Is this your first day back?
No, it's first day since I ran with you.
Yeah.
It's
Right?
been a while, huh?
Yeah, because of the whole...
Oh yeah. But it's been like 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
It's been 2
I
weeks.
always forget that you live pretty far.
I know, but still, it's just being late. It's just my brain is like, you know what? Just stay in bed. Just go on social media. You always feel so nice, so easy.
Now, we'll take it slow today. I think my body's kind of tired from yesterday, too. So, I think I'm going to do, 1 mile intervals.
Yeah.
And then just kind of get my body warmed up for later.
Yeah, whatever. As long as I'm out here, it already makes me feel good, so.
Yeah.
With that being said, let's go run.
Because I think yesterday was probably going to be my last double. I did my first run at 5:30 a.m. in the trails.
Yeah.
And then
Meeting up more people. Running somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. And where you could do the ab.
Yeah.
So all I do is just the
Hey.
classic.
bike. I bought it from
My very first bike I've
This is
ever
one of his
bought.
first bikes. This is
Same tape, same brakes.
Oh, 5, 6 years ago?
Wow.
That's not too long.
I put that on.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, tell you
Did
get
it
a
fix
picture
it?
too.
I put that on.
I'm not good.
I'm not good.
Huh? I want to say, from having resistance this morning of not wanting to run at all, finding a bunch of excuses to not run, to now about to do 10 miles, is pretty insane. That's it. You just need to get out there, right? Or I just need to get out there
Just need to get out here and run. Just start out slow and see what happens. You never know. But yeah, didn't expect to run 10 miles today. Here I am. I am so glad I went to go running. So glad. Empty. I need to buy more sunblock. Resistance is not fun, and I don't wish that upon anybody, but we all have it. It's just what we're born with, right? I speak of it like it's a disease or something, but it just sucks to have that. When I feel it, I know that the longer I wait, the longer I sit there and not do it, is the stronger it gets. So when I feel it, just get up, get changed first, just wait, think about it. Because look, 10 miles. Wasn't even gonna do 1, but now 10. Do you see this? That right there? This is an Insta360 Go Ultra. And on days like this, I do not even want to think about bringing out my Canon. Setting up a mic, making sure the audio is good, making sure I'm in the right settings, just all that, and even holding the camera, setting up on a tripod, all these shots that I've done. That would have made me not want to run, not want to record, not want to do anything at all. But when you have a camera like this small, the friction is gone. The resistance, the work you have to do is gone. You just grab this camera, hit the record button. That's it. That's literally all you have to do. So it makes it easy. And that's the only reason I'm able to document this. Without this camera, without this easy form factor, it wouldn't have been possible. Plus, I detached the small face, the small camera, and left the body in the car, and then just put that in my pocket as I run. And that's how you saw all those footage that I got. That's from me just bringing that. And to top all that off, this is just from the mic, from the camera. This is not, I didn't even bring a mic with me. So that's just right out of the camera, guys. Yeah.